Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Kim Yoo-jung's fortune analysis. At the request of an overseas YouTube subscriber, I analyzed Kim Yoo-jung's fortune. The beautiful smile and sad eyes are like Kim Yoo-jung's fortune. Let's analyze it together. The letter referring to Kim Yoo-jung's self is likened to a candle. Candlelight is a calm, delicate, thoughtful, and quiet. Right below the letter referring to herself is heart for her boyfriend. She wants her boyfriend to be cute and lovely. The pink heart is a letter that corresponds to a real boyfriend, but the letters that mean her and this letter are in conflict with each other. This means mental conflict, which means that the relationship is not very good and sometimes there are conflicts of opinion. Therefore, it would be better for her and her boyfriend to stay busy with each other. It would be nice to stay busy with each other because they always cause conflicts if they stay together for a long time. Since this letter means execution and determination, Kim Yoo-jung's spirit is alive because she is in conflict with it. Conflicts aren't destructive. It gives her a vivid mental strength, but it doesn't give her comfort. Therefore, Kim Yoo-jung may be somewhat sensitive and mentally nervous, but if she uses it well, it can be very helpful for her own development. It's the flow of energy from Kim Yoo-jung's fortune. I only marked the important part. The blue arrow means conflict, and the pink arrow means a win-win relationship. The flow of energy around her coexists with conflict and co-prosperity. Therefore, she concentrates on her professional field and develops deep acting skills. But she is not in a psychologically stable state. But as I mentioned earlier, if she uses it well, she can use it for her own development. Otherwise, she can live with a psychological burden. There is no more challenge to Naver because people who are always comfortable and quiet feel happy in themselves. However, the energy of this collision creates psychological instability, but it also allows us to take on new challenges. Life is her choice, whatever it is. I sincerely hope she will make good use of it. The conflict on the top is with her boyfriend or honor, but the conflict on the bottom is with her money and her mother. Therefore, I hope her manage her wealth by herself. The two conflicting letters mean popularity. Even if there are ups and downs, I think she will continue to be popular. Kim Yoo-jung, who is good at acting with a beautiful smile and sad eyes, seems to have such a story in her fortune. Her artistry and creativity come from her, and the result is wealth and popularity. The words of her honor sometimes seem to be unfortunate with award ceremonies and boyfriends because they cause conflicts. However, if she remembers that the really important thing is to show her happiness and ability, she will be able to use it as a tool for development. The job role on the right is a businesswoman type, and rather than a leader or honor, businesswoman activities that harvest the results of her activities are well matched. I hope she will continue to act with beautiful smiles and impressive acting. Have a healthy and happy life. Thank you.